Now let us check the details of different pipelines present in Helix Innovation Suite on-prem deployment. Upon your successful installation of Jenkins, once you land up in the Jenkins homepage, there are different pipelines. Let us check what are these pipelines are. So once you land up into the Helix, once you're done rather with installation of deployment engine, you run the deployment engine Perl script. This is what a page will appear in front of you. Now, as you can see over here, it is showing a lot of different pipelines for us. BMC Helix configuration, configure ITSM, generate config, interops, many of them. We will talk through it in a bit. So once you land into this particular page at the very first time, this page will not be errored out. Just like you can see, there are some red symbols or red icons showing across, which indicates something is went wrong. So at the first place, you will not see any such details on your screen. So ITSM or Helix Innovation Suite ITSM installation uses Jenkins, which provides a GUI interface as opposed to the text, a command line interface. And it is totally different from your legacy versions in which you used to get the installers and you can just click and share the information. As you can see, there are series of stages called as pipelines which run sequentially to deploy the products. The Helix Innovation Suite on-prem deployment or the Helix on-prem deployment pipeline is the one which is also known as the Uber pipeline. And this is the pipeline where the customer specific input values are provided. So this is the very important when you try to perform any of the installation. This pipeline calls the other deploy the various ITSM components. If correctly configured this particular pipeline, your installation will through successfully. Let's check the other one. The Helix platform deploy. The Helix platform deploy is the pipeline which deploys your multiple different pods, just like your platform FTS, platform integration, platform users. However, if you're trying to deploy a compact size or the small size deployment, you will just only see platform FTS in the compact, and in the small, you will not see any of the platform int or user pods. There is a platform SR pod, which is representing smart reporting. So if in case you have already enabled the support extension for smart reporting, you can deploy the smart reporting and you will see this particular pod. So these particular pods are basically representing the BMC Helix Innovation Suite server that comprises of your email engine, approval server, assignment engine, everything. It will also include your BMC Helix CMDB, your Atrium integrator, then your Helix ITSM complete suite like service desk, change management, asset management, service request management application. This also comprises of your mid-tier, your users, your Atrium web services. Moving to the next one, that is a non-platform deploy. Smart IT chat like OpenFire, virtual chat plugin, virtual chat server. So these are the components which gets deployed through the non-platform deploy. Moving to the next one, which is your smart apps. So the smart apps deployment is basically the DWP Tomcat master slave, your catalog ITSM plugin, and it also deploys the components like your digital workplace catalog, business workflows, multi-cloud broker, ITSM insights. The next pipeline which is available in the system is Interops. So Interops activates BMC Helix ITSM insights and BMC Helix Innovation Suite services for the BMC Helix platform tenant so that all the services can be used through the single URL, which is your Helix portal URL. So all the applications, you can use it through the single URL. And the next one is smart reporting. So as I said earlier, if you have support extension for the smart reporting activated, then you can deploy smart reporting and it will do the same work as it used to do in the legacy setups of doing the reporting, the smart reporting. The last one is about the support assistant tool. So as its name suggests, it's an assistant tool which helps you out to gather the logs, access the containers. if in case you would like to get some of the logs from different containers, just like we discussed right earlier.